Are your financial reports not matching the reality? Wrong balances, missing entries, or even confusing reports? It's not Odoo, it's the mistakes that most users make. Odoo 19 has the most powerful accounting module. But you know what? Even the minute or the smallest mistake can actually break down all the accounting settings and all such things. So today in this video, let's discuss about the most common mistakes that you keep doing in the account and how to fix them. The very first mistake is a wrong account mapping. So imagine you are connecting the wrong journals or accounts with the product. Then that is actually going to ruin the whole report and a whole lot of other things. So how to fix it? You have to make sure you do the proper account mapping. You have to, oftenly check the chart of accounts. Along with that, please verify the income and expense accounts which is linked towards the product. The second mistake is not reconciling properly. So you all know we have a feature which is called the reconciliation of the bank statements and all such things inside the accounting. So if you don't do this, this is going to ruin your finances. So once every while when you do the payment and the invoicing, you have to make sure that the reconciliation is also done. So you all know only after doing the reconciliation and creating a statement, only then you will find this in payment turn out to be paid. So make sure you do the reconciliation properly. Mistake number 3 is the duplicate entries. So duplicates everywhere can cause a lot of problems, and obviously inside the accounting also you will find the very same thing. So duplicates of invoices or even the bills can actually lead to a huge problem in the payment and the statements, and this is going to mess up everything. So once in a while check out for duplicates and do clear them out so that your accounting will be going in a very smooth way. Mistake number 4, not validating the entries. So while dealing with the invoices or bills, you might have seen the statuses like draft and posted. We often create these invoices and keep them there in the draft state rather than validating it. So this might occur, or this might create a chance of missing out a lot of data in the reports and so much more. So what you have to do is you have to validate everything properly and make sure you don't leave them in draft and convert them into posted state. Mistake number 5, incorrect tax configuration. So tax configuration is one among the inevitable part of the accounting module. Until and unless you configure the tax, the invoices might get invalid. Like there will be no purpose of creating such invoices, right? So make sure you configure the taxes properly, like the GST, VAT and all. So make sure tax is configured properly. Only then this is going to be, this is actually going to be a healthy practice, and this is going to save your invoices as well. Mistake number 6, ignoring financial reports. These reports are actually created for you guys to check it. So what is the point of leaving it as such, like without touching, without disturbing it? Please go and disturb the reports. So these reports are generated often for giving you an idea of how things are going inside your accounting module. So you have a lot of reports in the accounting, like the profit and loss and all such things. So make sure you check the financial reports often, which is going to make your work pretty much easier. So these are the basic and common mistakes that we notice in beginners and all other people as well while using the accounting module. So fix all these things, and I'm sure that some profit is going to come and reach your company or organization. So there are a lot of things that we talked about today about the duplicates, the reconciliation, then the reports and all such things. So make sure you fix it and follow the workflow as I said everywhere. So this is how you have to deal with the accounting, and these are the basic errors that causes problems in your accounting. So I'm sure that you are going to fix it today. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.